Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a good day. I am back from Vegas and tonight I'm going to be streaming for about 4 to 5 hours here. You know why? Because we have the Bitcoin halving coming out. I have the countdown on the left monitor here, 8 hours, 18 minutes, and 10 seconds. Things are about to get very, very juicy, and this may be what's needed to get Bitcoin to start pumping up here a little bit more. We all know that Bitcoin's been kind of bearish over the past few weeks. Over the past few days, we have had an opportunity to try to bounce up a little bit. Overall, we have been having lower lows and lower highs, so we are in a little bit of a downtrend here, but it's not something of a very aggressive downtrend here. The market is just trying to figure out where we go from here because we've been trying to range from about $74,000 to about $60,000. Right now we're at 64. We're at the bottom. I'm almost getting back to the mid tier of that range, and that's going to be a lot of big stuff here. On the other hand here, guys, we're going to be talking about a lot of this stuff here later on tonight. As far as what I'm doing right now, dollar cost average, dollar cost average, dollar cost average. Once I get back into the scheme of things, we'll be doing a little bit more day trading here just to kind of show you guys what my position is, because of course you're doing a lot more scalping, a lot more short-term trading, and not as much 4-hour trading. If you guys watch the video, I was at the the VIP booth area of NAB, and basically I was telling you guys the 1-hour charts and the 15-minute charts are where it's at. 4-hour charts might get a little bit worse, and based off of that last few days, that was the right way to approach it, because my gosh, things got very, very volatile, and if you held on for too long, you really just lost all of those gains, all of those profits, maybe unless you had a trailing stop loss of some type. But you guys know those are kind of hard to find on the majority of exchanges these days, especially if you guys are trading with spot. But anyway, tonight we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, crypto. You guys know the typical drill. What's happening with the Bitcoin halving, a little bit of economic data that might have come out this week. I just have to look for it later on today. And then you guys know that Opus Clip brought me out there to talk about their product and engage people, down in Vegas. And it was a fun time. I'll be talking about that quite a bit. I want to also talk about some other AI tools out there that I learned about. That way you guys can possibly use them, help out your workflow and things like that. And maybe talk about some of the deals that I was able to get done down there, as far as, there's a I'll wait till everything's finalized, but there's a company out there who owns licenses for a lot of different musicians out there, artists, and pretty soon I'm going to be working with them, and I'll be able to put professional artist music on my channel without getting in trouble with YouTube. And you guys know how YouTube has, they have different rules for how music plays and if I'm allowed to play it or not, stuff like that. I'll have the rights to play it with the help of this company, which will be very, very fun. So there's going to be a whole host of things we're going to be talking about here. I'll be sharing some stories and stuff like that, having a good time. I've been losing my voice a little bit because I've been talking so much, so no cigar smoking tonight as much as I would like to do that with all of you guys. Instead, it is going to be, what is it today, Friday? I've been losing track of time quite a bit here. Friday, yeah. It's going to turn into late night crypto Friday, late night AI Friday, late night tea Friday, because I'm going to be guzzling up some tea. I just have to hope that the tea I find is non-caffeinated, because I'm going to be up all night if that's the case. But anyway, hope you guys are all having a good day. I am dollar cost averaging Bitcoin. We are at a level of support, and we're not back to being bullish just yet. I've been waiting for that MACD to turn positive, but now all of a sudden what's happening here, guys, the MACD on the weekly chart is now looking like it wants to roll over and go negative. So we're going to have to talk about that, what it means, the halving, what's going to be happening after that. And if you guys really do want to be buying here for your day trades, your swing trades, or your long-term investments, we're going to be talking about that for quite a few hours. And then we're just going to be having a good time and chilling. I really want to tell you guys about what I did in Vegas, because it was a great time. I learned so much, especially because I was in the creator section. So I met a lot of other YouTubers. Nobody in the cryptocurrency space. I know we're a rare breed, especially some that are like my size, a little bit larger, but not like the mega crypto channels. I want to talk about all of that, and especially all the cool AI stuff I saw, because you guys know I'm going to be building up a studio here pretty soon. I met a lot of people that can help me do all of that in a very short amount of time, and hopefully not too expensive. But again, I think we're going to be good here. And I think overall Bitcoin, it's not the time to necessarily panic. You guys just want to be sticking to that day trading, primarily off of those 1 hour and 15-minute charts. So I'll see you guys a little bit later on tonight. And when the halving happens, we're just going to be going through a marathon of streams here. I won't be able to answer all of you guys' questions, as you guys know, but it'll be a fun time. So see you guys later on tonight.